welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Asante and you're with Asante. So this is an unplanned room tour at night. Actually, guess the culprit. Yeah, literally, I'm so irritated, but it's fine. Like, it took me so long, and now it's dark. Like, well, not really dark, but it's quite dim, and my room is looking dark. But anyway, it's kind of a vibe, so I'm not mad about it, but I'm also mad. And my hair is not looking even after working so hard. Ugh, and you can see the knots. Well, let's not stress about my hair because this is not the vlog for it. And plus, I don't have proper lighting to ever do videos at night. Let me show you why. Like, make it make sense. Like, guys, I'm really trying my best to make this video look good. And I'm glad my fan has a light. I'm so glad I bought a fan that has a light. But honestly, it was such a vibe, but I had to like mute my my iPad, but because it was such a vibe with Off the Wall like playing in my room. Oh my gosh, Off the Wall. I was playing Thriller first, like later my life. With the vibe, the red lights and everything. But now we're playing Off the Wall, and you know, maybe with my hair it's giving a vibe, you know what I mean? But on a serious note, let's actually start this video. So I'm gonna be holding this fan with my hand as I actually took you guys around my room. This is actually so funny. Like, this is literally what I'm doing for the rest of this video. So I need to invest on a ring light. So I'm just gonna start with my bathroom. Yeah, I'm so glad my residence has a bathroom, so that's like one of the greatest thing about this place I'm staying in this year. Like, my own bathroom, my own shower. I can literally just play music without feeling ashamed, if you get what I'm getting. So I don't know if I should use this mode for now. I don't think I'm gonna be using this light, so let's actually put it down somewhere. And let's actually show you my bathroom, I guess. And this is actually the rest of my skincare shelf. You can tell my hair care things. Yeah. Toiletries, let's just say. There's not much to say. And then there's like a mirror here. Like, all my cleaning products are on the floor. Girl, it's winter, so this girl is literally by my door all the time. I always wear this poncho, my favorite poncho. What a weird angle. But this is just so cute. It's giving Be Real, like it's giving Be Real vibes, this mode. And then obviously the shower. Yeah, guess that's the bathroom. Yeah, I mean, I tried with the artificial lighting here, so let's get to balancing with that fan light. Fan light is crazy. The light is back. What a very awkward room tour, guys. But you know what? I'm working with any means I have. So yeah, there's not much to explain. This is like where all my posters are. These are from Zeitz marker. So these were the posters there, and this is one from my workshops. This poster from the Western Cape's archive. Yeah, and those are my posters there. And these are the freebies I got when I got that in Eugene album, which is at home. It's not here with me. Yeah, I just didn't want to have too many things this year. I mean, I already have so many things going on. There's so many things that I've left, but there's so many things going on in this room. And maybe because this room is a bit smaller than last year. I'm not enjoying this lighting situation. Literally trial and error. Like, I'm just gonna call this vlog trial and error.
What the dog doing?
You know what? I'm gonna want to film like this because why is it kind of a vibe? The ready, the orangeness. Like, oh my gosh, this is how I always chill. I usually don't like to switch on my lights in my room unless if I'm doing work or anything. I like to leave my room exactly like this. But yeah, this is my bed. It's like really bed. Like, it's my bed. And then usually my fan, I think I'm gonna put her here. Usually my fan is here, and then this is like my mini heater at the back. But yeah, this is literally one of my favorite walls. There is a Polaroid I took with friends when we went to watch Mexico versus South Africa. Let's talk about that match. Let's not talk about that match. We are not talking about that match. But yeah, I need to add it there. But other than that, yeah, I don't know where I put it. It's somewhere in my room because I had it. It's probably on my jeans because I probably like put it in like my jeans. But yeah, this is my Polaroid wall, and then this is literally this is like an idea I thought so late at night because this originally was literally placed around here like that, but now it looks so cute over here. Like, I was like, let me put it on the wall, and it just brings such an atmosphere to this room. Like, I love my room. It's so cozy, especially when it's raining, and then having my hot chocolate. It's so cute. Yeah, and these are just the posters, mini posters. Yeah, this is this corner of my room explained, and I think I'm just gonna keep the lighting like this. It's kind of a vibe, and I do like this be real type of thing, so you guys can see me and as I show you my room. No guys, because bruh, my TikTok, my YouTube, everything has been full of Michael Jackson. I'm literally in Mikosa. I'll be watching documentaries, be watching like everything about it, and then music. Like, I'm stuck on Mikosis, and I'm seeing people on TikTok, and we all experiencing the same thing. It's definitely because of the biopic, and it's just bringing my 12-year-old self back. Like, that's crazy. Like, what? But anyway, I went on a tangent because it's like one day I would love a vinyl, so it's giving like I have a vinyl, but I'm just using my iPad to play music. Like, and these are the flowers my friend got me for my exhibition for the gesture one. Yeah, so these are the flowers she's got me. Then we move into this part of my room. Yeah, it's like the desk area, and I usually never do work in my room. I either work outside my room. Like, I can't work in my room. I can, but I'm not doing like I don't have a hectic one. I can work if I have a hectic schedule, but I prefer not to work in my room because there's a bed, and when the bed calls me, galal. Like, literally. So I barely study or use the space, but when I do my face or chill and sit here, but I barely use this chair. Like, I'm always on this side. Then these are just posters. I actually want to get like the CD at home has like a poster of Michael Jackson, so I want to get that when I go back home. But these were also from CDs that I took from home years ago. Michael Jackson is going to be on that list later on when I come back. My perfumes and like spray bottle. This is like I need to like buy what do you call it again? Super glue, because this was glued on my phone but it keeps on coming out. So I just oops, I just balanced her on my perfume. Got my rings coming out, and this also came off my watch, so it's not no more Hello Kitty, so I'm sad. But either way, that's what's it. And these are miscellaneous stuff like medicine. You can see my Memulo stuff is here, pencil case, an umbrella, my degree. It's such a miscellaneous, like, yeah, you can literally see it's just miscellaneous, but organized, like a very organized one. And I don't know why my AirPods are right there. Like, get in, my AirPods are usually never in here. Hey, Bo. Yeah, and then my photo book thing. I need to get like another one. Not another one. I need to get another like photo card holder for my bag. I just only have one. But yeah, this is just my water bottle. Like, I used to not be a person who used to have water around them on their bed, but I'm more attentional to drinking water at night, especially when you're thirsty and I'm not just thugging it out and I just drink water. So it really helps to drink water at night. Yeah. And then there's my bag, and this is where I also put my other bag here. My totes. Like this chair is literally a quam. Like, it's for bags. And how can I explain? This is like some of my kitchen things in my room, like my lunch box right there. I need to finish this protein. I was being very stingy, but girl is about to go home soon, so I need to finish this girly because I was being very stingy for the last week because it was finishing. So yeah, I need to finish my girl over there, my chai seeds and some cutlery. And this is other utensils again. I don't know what to put in this bag. It's just always hanging there. It's empty. Like, there's nothing. Maybe I can put some cutlery or something. I'll think about that. And then some more cutlery. Basically, this is what this area is all about. This is like my wardrobe. I was just looking at other places I missed, but yeah. It has the bag where we went on the Western Cape Archive for one of our workshops, and then it's been winter, so I haven't been wearing this hat. It's been raining, so I've been having my umbrella and beanie and scarf. So she's just there for decoration. Yeah, so that's basically it. I don't know what else to tell you guys because my room is quite small. Like, my bed and this side and the bathroom as an addition, so it is quite a small room. There's really no other thing to explain. I hope you enjoyed my little cute, warm, cozy vibe. I hope it gave cozy vibes because I'm working with what I got with my fan light. Like, I'm using my fan light. I'm so glad I do have a fan light, or else I would not at least have a crisp looking ending or intro because I don't want to be looking grainy in the video. I don't want to be ruining the quality of my video. But anyway, I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And comment what emojis do they have? A flower emoji, actually. Yeah. Bye.